What's going on? This is Dr. Roddy Ferguson, 2004 Olympian, four-time national judo champion, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt, author, speaker, and coach. Right now I'm coming to you because I want to offer you an opportunity that most people don't give you. An opportunity to pull back the curtain, to look behind the veil, to see some of the things that you don't see and to know some of the things that you don't know. And the reason why I'm giving you this is because I want to help you grow, because the more you know, the better you can grow. But if you grow in the wrong direction, you'll never get to your destination. So to help you grow in the right areas and to help you grow in the right places and to help you grow toward your direction, your goals and your dreams, I want to give you the information that you need. More often than not, when I attend the judo tournament, people ask me, well, how did you go to the Olympics, or how did you get to the Olympics, or some offshoot or iteration of that particular question. And I always answer with hard work, dedication, go to practice. You know, the same Hulk Hogan line of say your prayers and eat your vegetables. But the honest to goodness truth is there's more to it than that. There's a puzzle that has to be put together, and all the puzzle pieces are on the table, but it's impossible if I give you a 5,000 piece puzzle to put that puzzle together if you don't have the top of the box. What I want to give you right now is the top of the box. I want to give you the picture that you have to not necessarily copy, but to view, to look at, so that you understand how to put the puzzle pieces of your life together to produce the picture that you have in your mind. And then what I want to do is I want to construct, or help you construct, the picture that is in your mind, so that while you're constructing it, you can understand if you need to change it or maintain it. Because everything that you manifest in the natural realm is actually coming out of the spiritual or the cognitive realm, meaning those things that you think about are the things that you become. Now, I'm not talking to you about the secret or any metaphysical brouhaha, but I'm talking about thinking appropriately so that you can get that what you desire. So before we begin, let's start out with the number one question that you need to ask yourself. Let's begin.